All right, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the compound annual growth rate. So oftentimes what I see is people go on Google Finance and they'll Google the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 between 1996 and 2026 will show that it returned 899.5% over that 30-year period. So they'll just divide that by 30 and it will show that you have 30% average annual returns every year, which is insane. That's not accurate. So instead you should use this equation so you can account for the compounding effect of those returns. So say the compound effect has a negative and positive effect. So you could have $100, your investment goes up by 50%, so that gets you back to $150. Then it goes down by 50% in the following year, and now you're at $75. So if you went up another 50% the following year, according to your original investment, which was $100, you technically only gained 12%, not as much as it will record with your 50 and negative 50 and positive 50. So instead what you should do is take the S&P 500 ending value, which is here, divide that by your starting value. That'll give you your whatever that comes out to. You're going to use an exponent. So you'll put your years in the years section of the equation, and you'll do 9.9 to the power of 1 over 30, which will give you approximately this. You'll subtract that by 1, and the reason why you multiply by 100 is so that you can change it and convert it into a percentage. As you can see, these are vastly different numbers. Your average compound annual growth rate is 7.9% on the S&P 500 over that 30-year period, not 29.98%. So the reason why compounding is so powerful in a positive direction and a negative direction is, say you have $150. You lose 33.34% one year. That brings you down to $100. In order to regain your $150 or just get you back up to break even, that investment the following year would have to gain 50% just for you to break even. Even though you only lost 33%, it takes a lot more effort for your money to work when it's smaller. Hopefully this helps. Please ask any questions in the comments below. Life could be easier. Have a wonderful day.